In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting TIFF to HTML format using the BitRecover TIFF Converter Wizard. To install the BitRecover TIFF Converter Wizard, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with select file or select folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select the folder that you want to export. Click Next. Saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select HTML option for this tutorial. The destination path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. After selecting the destination path, it's time for the conversion process. Simply click the Convert button, and the conversion process will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully converted TIFF files. Click OK, and open the destination folder to access the newly converted file. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.